Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I realized we never really introduced you to Emerson's truck. He's had it for a long time. I've put it in a couple videos. I put it in like a video where we went mudding. His bumper's just so low all the time. I put it in a video where we went camping.
Hard right.
It's been in a couple videos, but I've never actually like shown you guys or introduced you guys to it. Get out of here. It's never been like officially said like, you know, this is his truck and this is what it is. So we're gonna do that because it's winter. Well, winter is creeping up on us and you're probably gonna be seeing a little bit more of the truck. We might be working on it a little more, so I figure I may as well introduce you to it, if that makes any sense.
Okay. I don't even know where to start.
Well, that was a good pose at least.
Alright, so this is my 2002 Frontier. The biggest pile of crap that I've bought. Joking, it saved me every time my car died. It's supercharged, so kiss your gas mileage goodbye. I bought it from previous owners that owned it in Alberta, so the frame's just rusting away. Fully loaded, heated seats, leather, long box, useless to me. The thing has no guts. Puts a whole 7 pounds of boost at 3,000 RPM.
Yeah, this is one of the only cars that you'll, or trucks or whatever that you'll get in and you'll see supercharged and you're like, damn, it's supercharged. But then you floor it and you go nowhere. Like it's got this big old supercharged badge as if.
You can feel it. You could like, you'll just feel it, but it's not like the Civic's just like.
Yeah, it's not like boost, it's just like more power, but it's not a lot of power. I don't know. It's a nice truck though, like we've done some stuff with it, more of a winter car than anything, and now you guys have been introduced to it, so now you guys know, because you might see a little bit more. He was like gonna sell it and buy something else for the winter, but that just didn't happen, and I don't know how many like install videos or whatever we'll do with it, but that's it. Welcome to the truck. So one of the biggest problems with Emerson's truck is that the headlights are extremely foggy. It's a thing that happens to old cars with plastic headlights, hazy, foggy, whatever you want to call it. The headlights are trash and he can't see anything. Like they're not good to start with, but then now that they're super hazy, like it's almost impossible to see with them. Today we're gonna fix that. We did a video on, we did this to Courtney's car a little while ago, but I had like no followers and no views on that video, so I figured I wanted her to do it again. And there's like a million ways to do like clean your headlights. Like people say use toothpaste, people do sandpaper, people do all kinds of crazy stuff. I like, it's not an ad, it's not a sponsor, but I truly believe in this one solo way to do your headlights. I think it's the best. I've done it a couple times. It works like 100% of the time and it works so good. So I always recommend doing this and only this. And the way that is by using this Meguiar's PlastX. This is like gold in this bottle. This is literally gold. This is like the easiest thing you ever need. You literally just get like the drill bit attachment, use this stuff. It works just so good. There will be a link to this down below. I will link it on Amazon or whatever, wherever you guys can buy this. Get some of this because it's just like the easiest, cheapest, least work kind of thing. That's basically it. Let's go do it. This is what Emerson's headlights look like right now. 100% trash. Like these are some of the gungiest headlights I have seen. It's just gross, dude. Like listen to this. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be cleaning today is just the headlights, make it look shiny again. Do you have the attachment in your truck? Oh yeah, it's over there. And all you're gonna need other than that plastic stuff is this, and it's literally just like a disc that you put in the end of a drill. I'm sure you could do it by hand if you wanted to, but this makes it way easier. Literally just put on a drill and just like all over the headlights.
Oh, that's gross. Look at that.
That's disgusting. You need to wash this thing, dude.
Dude, I did. And then it's just like, oh, let's go off-roading. Like, okay, no problem.
So, how do you open this thing? Oh, dude! The scissors just exploded in my hand! What is this? What is happening? Okay, so we picked this up at Canadian Tire for like 15 bucks. You guys can get a different one. You can do whatever you want. Basically, this is a little disc. Put this on the end of a drill. It becomes like a little sanding disc. It's nice and malleable so you won't like break anything with it. And one second. And then this has like a Velcro pad that you just slap on. And that's it. That's all you need. What are you trying to show me?
Okay, see down there? See the heat shield? Yeah, that heat shield right there. Oh, it's rusty. It's all fine.
Some good meat. Do a good job. Don't mess up. Okay, well, Emerson tapes it. I'm legit just gonna clean all the dirt and stuff off these headlights so we're not rubbing in dirt. We're just kind of cleaning the foggy, disgusting mess that is this headlight. Here's a nice little before.
It's when you're actually driving in the dark, like pitch black in the bush,
that you notice it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, wow, I can only see 5 feet in front of me.
Okay, so Emerson went and taped up all these lights. Everything is taped up. Oh, I just kind of ruined it a little bit. Everything is taped up and good. We're not being super careful with this because, like, look at, you know, it's... Hey, easy.
That wasn't me.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Why'd you kick it like that?
Anyways, we're not being like as cautious as you guys should be. Like I would recommend putting a couple layers of tape just to make sure it's all good, but for our purposes this is good enough. Now I'm gonna do one headlight I think, and then we'll leave the other one to show you guys the difference. You guys are about to see the #1 way to add value to your car. Like it doesn't matter how old the car is, if the car has headlights like this, if you're trying to sell it or you're just trying to like be happier with it or anything, you want to see the road when you're driving it, which is literally what we're doing it for.
Witnessed that when we went out camping.
Oh dude, it sucks.
Remember that road was just freshly paved?
Yeah, it's terrible. There we were on a freshly paved road, like a black road, and we couldn't see anything. There was no street lights. We legit could not see with this. So it's like it's also for a good purpose, but it also adds value. Like if you're trying to sell it or whatever, it doesn't look so old and crappy. So you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
I don't know. You do it first.
You ready to see the magic
You
happen?
sure we don't have to like do anything else?
No,
Should I
it's all
just
good.
wipe it down?
Legit, watch.
Like we don't have to sand it or
No, look,
anything?
look. Put some on here. I just do this. Like you can do whatever you want, but I like to have it everywhere because then when you go there, at least if your pad's kind of running low, you still have some, right? So like soak the whole pad. Now it's on there and literally just go like this. Oh, dude, look at this.
Bruh.
It's so
Bro,
me.
mate.
It's all over
Bro,
me.
mate,
I'm wearing the wrong colors, bro. I'm wearing the wrong colors. I know.
You got a lot of gray hair.
I know.
Why are you stressing, bro?
I'm not stressing. I just have gray hair.
That's why you have gray hair. You
No.
just gotta stop stressing, man. Live the dream.
Bruv,
Bro, it doesn't look any different.
right here did good because I focused
yeah.
a lot on it, but I didn't come over here long enough, I guess.
Oh, yeah. It's actually starting to be clear now.
Yeah, like you can tell.
Holy!
You can see it. It's just this. I spent a lot of time right here, but I didn't spend enough time on this. Look at that.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
insane. We still have to do way better. It's so hard to get like this little. Your headlights are such a weird shape. Like they're so hard to get in this.
That needs to be like.
But like, see, all I did was focus more time here, and like, it's a million times better already. I wish this was an ad, so I could just keep talking about it, but it's not.
McGuire's.
It's
Sponsor us.
yeah, man, McGuire's. What up? Best stuff. Don't lie to you guys. They're not perfect, but you can definitely see out of them again. That's nuts, dude. That's absolutely crazy. It's so bad. Your headlights do kind of have like a, like they look darker here, but I think the housing in here is not like a bright chrome. It is like a darker
Like a
chrome.
smoked.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Like all in here.
Hold up. Let me pull up the emoji here.
That is what your truck looks like. Dude, your truck is that emoji. That's awesome. That is not shit. That is shit. It's stupid to not do it this way. So we're gonna just take 5 minutes, do this one up so it looks the same as that one. Emerson's just gonna keep doing like the finishing touches where the pad didn't get, because these specifically, these headlights are got like some weird crevices and stuff that it's hard to get the big bit in. So we're gonna do this one, make it match that one, and then we should be good. Nice and simple, nice and easy, a quality way to spend your lazy Sunday. Man, I goofed hard. Look at this. Look at this. I goofed so bad, I'm covered in it. That's my fault for being a dumbass and wearing black when I'm working with this though, but close it up. Dude, it looks like a regular truck now. Like, I'm gonna put the before and then I'm gonna put the after right here of me just coming down this headlight. It's crazy how just doing the headlights brought this truck back to life. Now when you're doing your headlights like this, you're gonna want to probably seal them in some way. We have some plans, so we're not sealing them right now, but you guys can buy like a spray-on sealer. It's almost like a clear coat kind of thing that goes back over, because basically once you strip it down like this, it's just raw and ready to be ruined again. So you can put a sealer. It's kind of like a wax, kind of like a clear coat. So that is it as far as like doing the actual headlights. If you guys want to stick around, we're still gonna do a little bit more to the truck. We're gonna hang out and just do some more. As far as the cleaning of the headlights, that is it. That is like the easiest way to add value to your car. That is the easiest way to do it. The links for the stuff are down below if you guys want to check it out, get some for yourself and do this. And Emerson bought yellow fog lights.
Because I didn't know.
Well, I think they'll be cool, because when we take this thing mudding, it's like you need fog. Like in BC, it's foggy.
Needs more light. You know?
It needs more light, but like in BC, there's actual fog too.
Yeah.
Like it gets gross on the trails. So like having these will probably be cool. And then the one, that fog light is out right now.
The yellows, just to get normal ones.
Really? It was cheaper to get these than normal ones?
Yeah.
Either way, that one's out, so they need to be replaced. So we're gonna replace both of them with yellow, and that should be kind of cool. That should, you know, make it a little bit better at least, and then you'll actually be able to use it in the fog. And I think this thing's gonna rescue me a couple times this year. Not because of the low car life, but because we're planning on. You guys will see some things soon, but this truck's gonna need as much as it can get to see and run properly this winter, because it's definitely gonna have to rescue at least me probably a couple times this year. You know how to get these fog lights out? Is it easy?
I don't know. It's right there, but like.
The Instagram fam knows what this is all about. I'm so tired today. We went out last night. I didn't sleep that much last night, and I'm just like, but we wanted to do some truck mods, so I wanted to obviously include you guys. You broke it? You've been doing it for 2 seconds. Bruh. So this week we're gonna also have to fix the fender that we broke, just sand and maybe clay bar the whole car one more time just to get it ready to go, take off everything that's not getting color changed. And then we should be good, like we should just be good to send it. So by the end of this week, that car will be completely different. And I'm stoked. Emerson's learning how to do, yo, this is literally the story of everybody's life. Where's my 10 mil? Oh, it's on here probably. Hey, there you go, brother. Emerson, Google it. Apparently there's just a 10 mil, and then you just, once you take the 10 mil off, the whole thing just goes forwards. Yo, those look nice, man. Where'd you get your new headlights? Are those new? Are those brand new? Did you just get those? Did you just pick those up?
Yeah, eBay.
eBay. Ah, you should've got them from Wish, dude. I heard they come with even clearer lenses. Oh, there's movement. Oh, ejecto lighto, brother. It just came flying out. JDM ricer bulbs. Super JDM. Like the camera makes it look not yellow. That's so weird. We need to clean those, leave them out so we can clean the lenses.
That doesn't look bad yellow.
It doesn't look bad. It's like,
They just need to be cleaned.
you're just like the truck racer now. Good luck, my friend, on your maiden voyage. Don't put too much on there, it's just a tiny little light. It's a good angle. Emerson thinks a lot of this is on the inside of the light. He was like doing it with the drill, and it wasn't, it was just nothing changing. So he thinks a lot of it's on the inside of the light. So he's popping the like lens off right now, because it's actually really weird how easy it is to pop the lens off on these fog lights. Couple screws and then just push it out. So he's gonna pop it off and maybe try and clean the back. We'll have to look at it. I don't know what it looks like.
Bro, you're like almost there.
I know.
I'll spray some dubs just to get.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It's not the proper way to open a fog light. Oh, hey. Nice. So we'll just put some silicone around this before we put it back in. Now, literally, we're just gonna do the same thing with the plastics, but we're gonna do it on the inside and the outside, because like half the problem on this guy's on the inside, and then it should be good to just go back on with a little bit of silicone. Okay, this is about as good as the lens is gonna get. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. So we're just gonna put like a bead of silicone around the outside. Same thing I did when I sealed the taillights. I'm just gonna run like a bead all the way around the outside and just kind of clip it back in. It has like screw points where it screws. If you could focus, that'd be great. Right there, where it screws back in. So like it'll be fine to set. Oh, this stuff is so potent, man. It just reeks like vinegar. That looks sick. It actually looks really cool. This fog light's not placed yet, but like, dude, why does it not capture how yellow it is? I think it might have to be dark, like to actually capture it on film how yellow that is. But like, let me get up close. It's a yellow, like, there you go. That looks sick though. You're officially the JDM rice boy of trucks. Dude, your Snapchat captures it way better, like the actual yellowiness. Today was a little bit of a rough day. I told you we went out last night and just kind of it took a long time to get going this morning, but we wanted to film and do some stuff today, so I figured I'd include you with it. That's gonna be pretty much all we have for you guys today. We're just kind of tinkering around with the truck, trying to get a couple things fixed up a little bit before winter. Not really before winter, but just because Emerson's gonna start driving that a lot more, especially when we work on the 240. So we wanted to just button a couple things up on it. So that's basically all we're gonna have for you guys today. Like I said, we're gonna do the Civic this week. We'll be changing the color. There's a lot of stuff coming this week, so get hype. Anyways, that's all I'm gonna have for you guys today. Wow, I'm really dark. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.